If you're a first home buyer or a wannabe first home buyer, I want to talk to you about the single most important factor that is going to influence how cheap your interest rate is, and that is the LVR. Now, that sounds complicated. It stands for loan to value ratio, and it basically means how big is your deposit. Because if you have a 20% deposit, you're automatically going to be able to get the special rates. But if you don't, so less than 20%, you're going to get the standard rates plus potentially a margin added on top, depending on the bank and depending on the deposit size. Some banks don't add any margin. Some banks will add 0.75 if you've got 10% deposit, or others 0.3 if you've got 15% deposit. So if you're watching this, you're probably weighing up, well, shouldn't I just wait until I've got 20% deposit? And in a perfect world, yes, it would be better to buy when you have a 20% deposit. However, if you could buy now with a 10% deposit and buy for a cheaper house price, then that might be worth considering, because you need to think about how long is it going to take me to save the difference until I get to a 20% deposit.